Good day traders, Sam here, looking at Bitcoin and giving you a different perspective from probably others. This is in the micro detail, and what I have, I'd like to share. What we had before was this formation, roughly there to there, so that the structure played itself out for there. So this structure target was that, and then we have this bigger structure across the board. Let me just make that white. Go from there to there. That height there matches that height there, which has confluence with this channel that I had. So a lot of resistance, 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 and it played itself out here as a resistance. So that, to me, is validated, and therefore you have a parallel channel or parallel line up, which could be a fib. And similarly, I did that, and it seems to be right. In addition, you've got your fib level at this level versus the bottom, it matches another fib level. So this area is showing definitely resistance. And one more component, which I'll share, if I was to put the fixed range profile, which is volume-based profile, you can see that this bar, this area here, so this bar and this second bar will likely to play resistance. So what you got is focus, concentration, and if you move that across, give us a sec. So from that range to that range so we've got another component that's saying that that's a strong resistance level. What we had previously was this level here, there was a bar there, and as you can see, that was resistance as well. So this previous structure gives us guidance to this. Now, if we were to, so we can see a bit of a pullback, and what kind of pullback? It's not going to be a pullback, it's just going to be consolidation. And here's the main points I want to make. Let me just delete all that, make that information available, clear. Just get rid of that. What we're seeing here is, if you compare to the previous price, so what we have is a big rally, and then resistance, consolidation, another big, and then you see this tired effort. This is all tired, and pretty much a wedge formation, and we drop. From here to there, we had a real strong move, and this is matching that. It's like another one. And what I suspect is we might have a bit of a tired move to the top, and then a pullback. So matching the all-time high, double top, we say you expect a pullback, and maybe another form of a wedge, and then a pullback, and then this might be the area for support when this pulls back, and then up it goes. So that's one theory. And if you look at it, excuse me, sorry. So basically, this is the A, B, C correction. What we have here is the 1, pullback 2, and now we're doing wave 3. Wave 3, wherever it's going to be. Don't know where it is. Have some idea, but this area could be up to wave 3. And if we were to pull back a bit more, so what we have is this trend line that's probably going to be wave 3, maybe wave 4, wave 5, and this could go parabolic. So looking looking at the alleyway theory as well, applying it there. So that is from a big perspective, a macro perspective, and the justifications for it. For now, we are pretty much going to consolidate. This move is not a tired move. This is a very strong move, and it gives me the remnants of a bull run. If you look back here, you see this type of strong move to the upside, bit of consolidation, but you can see how strong this move is. And then every time we hit a key milestone, key fib level, because it's all price discovery, we're going to have those kind of pullbacks, and that's what I have here. So obviously I'm looking at that price, maybe, and I'm not going to show how I worked that out, but basically a pullback to the 0.618 level, and that might be a 20-30% pullback, and then another effort. There is a possibility that if this hits that level, we can have another fib level break to above that, and then that could be parabolic. This big trend line I have, if I was to pull back a bit, you'll see where I get that trend line from. So now the question is, if we break this level, this big trend line that's acted as resistance, and if we break above it, it will definitely pull back. Could go pull back down deep, or use as a support for a bull run that's going to look like in this area here. So that is a theory. Got to keep an eye on it. No one knows, but that is what I expect is something similar to this. So what we had previously around this area is nice, not a bit of a correction, and then we had this parabolic move. This wasn't a parabolic move. This was just a correction that doesn't look like a blow off top. Doesn't look like the end of the story. Therefore, that's wave 3, wave 4, and I'm looking for some big move like that. And the question is it here? Is it there? That's the trick, isn't it? So we're going to keep an eye on that. And that's all I've got for now. Talk to you soon. Cheers.